So we are now on the Malda bypass. We should be arriving soon in another 10-15 minutes at our next destination, my next stop, which is the Golden Park Hotel.
That sound is just telling me to stay in lane.
Yeah, so he's all over the place. So we're going to stop for lunch at the Golden Park Hotel, and then from then on, there on, we are going to go to Siliguri, which is going to be our night stay. So looking forward to stretching our legs and having a meal, and hopefully we won't pass out after the meal. So the bypass is nice. The bypass, well, there's some road works going on in the afternoons in a lot of the areas actually. So here they're trimming the trees and doing some gardening work. So part of the beautification of the road, which is good. And there you can see unholy creatures or unholy vehicles on the road making a nuisance of themselves. But part and parcel of driving in India, I guess. So that's how it is. But it's been a good journey so far, and other than a few, well, can't say the wrong thing on
Other than a few traffic jams.
other than a few traffic jams and a few people making nuisance on the road. It's been good. It's been good. So we're looking forward to the rest of the journey.
Look at that, how beautiful is
It is beautiful. It is actually very, very nice, and the roads have been done really nicely. The what we are on the NH12 at the moment, and national highways have been really, really good. Really good. Was it NH12 or NH34? I don't know. One of them.
30, we should be now
One
on
of
34.
those. My map says NH12 actually.
Okay, 12. That is
Yeah,
12.
it says NH12, but the road sign. Oh, we've got selfies. The road sign said NH34, so I'm not sure. I'm a bit confused there, but it doesn't matter. The roads are good. That's what matters at the end of the day.
And also that it will take us to the destination.
Yeah, this is a straight road, and it's going to take us to Siliguri, and I believe the roads are to Siliguri from Malda are also similar to what we see right now. So let's hope for the best, and we will see you soon. Bye bye for now.